Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to turn your film negatives into positive using Lightroom and your DSLR camera. Okay, so what you're going to need is a light source, a white piece of paper and a glass, and your DSLR camera on a tripod. Okay, so this is going to be your basic setup. You're going to want a white background, your light sources, one on each side, your piece of glass, and your negatives. I'm just using my lens hood just to hold on the negatives. So this is pretty much what your setup is going to look like once the lights are on. Okay, so these are the settings I'm using. I got my camera set to a timer of 2 seconds. Go ahead and push the shutter button. And these are the results we get. Okay, so now that you have your negatives imported into Lightroom, you want to go to your curve section. You want to bring this slider all the way up. Make sure it says 0/100% and bring this slider all the way down. So now you can start to see some color now. You can start to see some blues, some greens from the trees. Well, let me just go ahead and crop it so we can see a little better. Okay, I think that's good for now. So now you want to go over here to your white balance selector. Go ahead and click anywhere on the negative strip. I think that's a good area. Okay, so we're starting to get some more color now. Now since you inverted these, you pretty much inverted all the controls on Lightroom. So your highlights now affects your shadows affects your highlights, and so on. So now all you have to do is mess with your sliders until you get the look you like. Okay guys, so I'm gonna speed this part up since your photos and my photos are gonna be totally different. The only important part here is to move your curves, invert that. Once you have that done, you gotta make sure you select your white balance. To select your white balance, try to select the strip from the negative, which is a neutral color. And that's pretty much it. Adjust your temperatures and adjust your highlights, your colors, your tones. All you have to do, take your time on this so you can get the best results.